how to connect TapSwap to SafePal. If you want to connect TapSwap to SafePal, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the crypto TapSwap game, which is a TapSwap code game right over here. Once you've done that, from the top right you'll find one of the options that says connect wallet. So you want to simply click on the connect wallet button. You'll find many wallets given by default, but here you can see view all wallet option. So go to this view all wallet, where one of the options there is SafePal. So since you want to connect your SafePal wallet account to it, all you have to do is just click on the SafePal option right here. And once you've done that, on the next page you would have to log into your SafePal account. And once you've logged into your SafePal account and then link it, it will be successfully linked to your TapSwap account. So I hope that this video helped you as to how you can go ahead and then basically connect TapSwap to SafePal. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.